Depending on your settings, your Windows computer can sometimes keep track of everything you've copied on your clipboard, and you can view this by pressing the Windows key and the letter V on your keyboard. And if you want to delete the clipboard history, there's a few ways to do that. After hitting Windows plus V, I could just hit the clear button here, and it deletes the clipboard history. Another place we can clear it, and to choose whether Windows is keeping a history in the first place, is in your settings. Hit Windows plus I to open your settings, or you can open it through the Start menu. Then we'll go to System, and from there, you'll scroll down to Clipboard. In the Clipboard menu, you'll have a toggle on the very top showing whether your clipboard history is being saved or not. And underneath, you'll have a Clear button that allows you to clear all clipboard history. I just cleared mine, so there's nothing on the clipboard, which is why the button is not available. But if I pull up some text and copy it, you'll see how the Clear button instantly becomes available. Also, even if I turn my clipboard history off, the computer will still hold the most recent copied item on the clipboard. And to clear that, you could either go ahead and copy something else, or come here and hit the Clear button. And that's pretty much it. Click the like button and leave a comment if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.